Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. It is wetter than an otter's pocket out there, so we can't ride at the minute. The wind's really bad and yeah, it's just rubbish for riding. So I had an idea. I thought I'd get you guys to hang out with me in the garage and see if I can address a problem that I've got. Now, I don't know about you guys, but space in my garage is a real problem. You know, I've got stuff everywhere and there's never enough space. 2 bikes, 2 lots of kit and all the rest of it. But yeah, one of my problems is all the jackets and coats and stuff hanging off the door, and it gets trapped in the door when I'm opening and closing it and stuff. So I've got a solution for that actually. A company has sent me a product that should make a bit of a difference. So I thought we'd do a little garage project and put it up on the wall and show you what I got. So this is a helmet and jacket bike tidy, if you like, from a company called OneTigris. These guys have been kind enough to send us a couple of these for us to try and to show you guys and see if we can solve the solution or solve the problem of having stuff knocking around all over the garage. So I'm more than grateful for that, and I'm definitely going to give that a go. And I thought we'd do a little garage project so I can show you what I'm up to and staying out the rain, keep ourselves entertained. Alright, so let's have a little look in the box then, see what we got. So it says this is OneTigris tactical vest and helmet wall rack, but it is sold on Amazon as a motorcycle helmet and jacket stand. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want one yourself. Well, let's have a look at it. Okay. So in the box, looks like we got some building to do. Well, that's not a problem, should be simple enough. And we got time, to be fair. Only like the whole of January to waste at the minute. Instruction book. Should be pretty simple, I don't think we'll need that. So that one's going to go up on the wall. We're going to obviously drill through the holes here, put that one up on the wall. That's going to bolt on there like that. That one's going to go on there. And that one up front. How hard can it be? I would suggest first of all, before you start putting this together and having some weight on it, that you probably want to put the holes in the wall, drill the holes in the wall to mark up where your block's going. So obviously it's going to go in these 4 outside ones. Now you might find that it's a bit hard using a pen or something to put through the holes to mark the wall where you're going to drill. So what I'm going to do is I just get a piece of paper and poke holes through the paper, and then I'm going to use that as a template, put it on the wall and drill through that. So what we've got in our bag of goodies: screws, raw plugs. This is a little handle bit extra, a little hanger. We'll show you that in a bit when that's done. Nuts and bolts, and you get a couple of tiny little Allen keys in there as well. So we got these nice pieces here, we're just going to drop them down through there. Well, it should be pretty straightforward. All the Allen bolts that go in are all the same size, so we shouldn't be able to muck that up. So we can see it's much easier to use the Allen on the back to tighten these up. That makes life a lot easier. So we've got that attached onto the main piece. So now I'm going to drop the round bit on the top. Right, good. So we've got the top piece on, we've got this one on, so there's just a little bar here. Something to note, by the way, this kit seems to come with a lot of spare pieces, extra bits that you're probably not going to need, so don't panic about that. So the last piece to put on is this little hook. Spanner, couple of nuts. Job done, look at that. That's a decent looking thing, isn't it? Right, so all we've got to do is get this baby up on the wall. So like I say, you've drilled the, so like I say, you make a template with a piece of paper on the back here, poke the hose through that, then put that to the wall and drill through that. It'd be much easier than trying to go through this, especially with all this weight on it. Right, so what I'm going to do is drop these two in the hose first and just see if I can get those in just loose, and then I'll get the other two in before we nip it up. This is where we'll find out if I drilled the hose level, eh? Okay, so this is where you're going to need a little stubby screwdriver. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Can you hear that rain bashing on the garage door? That is savage, isn't it? Right. Good old January. Well, there we go. I think I've done a pretty good job of that. That feels nice and sturdy. Got no problem leaving my lid up there. Gets me jacket out of the way, and I was never using this space anyway, so spot on. Only trouble is, there's two of us, so I need two of these. So I'm going to rinse and repeat and put the second one up. So there we go, that is the Tigris, a helmet and jacket holder, bike tidy. Highly recommended. It's a good, nice, chunky thing. It's going to get your stuff up out of the way and hopefully use space that you weren't using on the wall before. So yeah, I recommend these, and I'll pop a link in the description below for you, and I'll see you on the road again next time.